Okay, let's do the next very interesting exercise. Okay, before going to the exercise, just read the heading carefully. Okay, this is a heading. Complete the spelling of the word. Okay, complete the spelling of the word. Okay, we want to complete the spelling of the given word. Okay, first step, we are going to find it out the name of the picture. Then we are going to tell the picture name aloud and we are going to write the correct spelling. Okay, for this exercise there is a three process. First process is going to find it out the name of the each and every picture, and the second one is going to tell the name of the picture aloud, and the third process is going to write the correct spelling. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Okay, this is a boy and the question mark is asked for this parts of the body. What is this? This is a chest. Okay, for the chest, the first three letter word was given. C-H-E. Ch. St. Yes. T. Chest. Okay, and the second one, this is a desk. Desk. You are hearing a yes sound. Desk. Yes. And here K. Desk. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? This is tent. Okay, do you live in the tent? Do you live in the tent? No. Okay, you can build a tent using your blankets in your home, and you can play with your brothers and sisters very easily. Okay, use the two blankets and keep the pillows inside, and you can make some beds and you can play it with your friends or brothers or sisters. Okay, now tell me the spelling for the word tent. Tent. What's okay? Now tell me the spelling for ten. T-E was given. Ten. Yes, you are getting a yen sound. Ten. T. Yes, T. Very nice. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is stamp. Okay, I have already told you the brief story of stamp, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, I've told you already in previous exercise. Now we are going to find it out the left out word letter from the word stamp. Okay, let's tell me this. Stamp. M. You're getting M son. Stamp. Very nice. Okay, stamp. Okay, this is spring. I've told you already what is the spelling for ing. I-N-G. Ing. Okay, so I'm going to make a N-G. Spring. Okay, now what is this? This is gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. Okay, so far we have find it out the leftover word, isn't it? This is a chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. This is desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. This is tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. This is stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. This is gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. This is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Okay, children, did you understand? We already saw this exercise, but even we are revising. If you do revising, then only we can understand very better and we can remember the words also. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise. Now let's move to the next exercise. Okay, let's read what is the exercise actually. Let's read the exercise. Circle the correct spelling. Okay, here given the picture. Okay, here given the picture, and for the each picture, each name was given. Now we are going to circle the correct spelling of the correct picture. Okay, let's find it out. The first picture, what is this? You can get a sweet honey from this insect. What is this? This is the first clue I'm giving for you. You can get a honey from this insect. What is this? Yes, it's a honey bee. It's not a bay. If you tell A-E, then it will become a bay. It's not a bay, it's a bee. So this is a correct spelling. Bee. Okay, let's move to this one. This is leaf. Leaf. Okay, this is a correct spelling. E-E, leaf. If you put I-F, then it will become a life. It's not a life, this is a leaf. This is a correct spelling for the word leaf. Okay. Okay, next one. Listen here. Here there is a question mark here given. Listen carefully. Here the question mark was given and the two options was given here. One is throat. And here also a spelling was given. You have to going to find it out which spelling is correct for the word throat. Throat. O, it's not a O, not longer O, that ending with A sound. Throat, throat, throat. Yes, this is a correct spelling for the word throat. Okay, listen. This is a picture. What is this? This is a chain. Very good. This is a chain. Okay, here the two word was given here. You are going to find it out which word is correct. Chain, chain, in sound. You are getting a in sound. So this is a correct spelling for the word chain. Okay, listen here. This is a question mark was given here. This is a shoe, but what is this? This is heel. Heel. Here two options was given. You are going to find it out the which option having the correct spelling. Heel. Heel. You are having a E longer sound. Then what is the spelling? Heel. Yes, this is a correct spelling. Heel. So I'm going to make it a circle here. And this is a team. Okay, while I'm singing a song also, I told you T for tiger and T for team. I said, this is a team. This is a teamwork. Okay, more than one person, we can call it as team. Okay, team, team, team. You're having a E sound as well as you're having a sound. Team, team. So this is a correct spelling for the word team. So I'm going to circle this. Okay, look at the next picture. This is soap, soap, soap. You are hearing O sound first. So then only you hearing a sound. Soap, soap. Okay, then tell me which spelling having a correct word for the word soap. Yes, yes, this is a correct spelling for the word soap. You are hearing a O sound first, then A sound. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is snail, snail. Okay, which one is correct? Tell me. Snail, snail, snail. Having a nay, nay. It's not, which one is having a correct pronunciation? Snail. Yes, this one having a correct pronunciation for the word snail. Very good. Okay, look at the next picture. What is this? This is coat, coat, isn't it? This is a coat, coat. You're hearing a O sound first, then only you're hearing a sound. So let's tell me which option having a correct spelling for the word coat. Yes, this one having a correct spelling for the word coat. Okay, look at this picture. This is male, male. You are hearing a sound. After M, you are hearing a sound. Male, male. Isn't it? Male. Okay, which sound you are getting? Male. Yes, you are hearing a sound. Isn't it? Male. Okay, children, so far we have circled the correct options. Let's recall it one more time. B, longer E sound. B. Throat, O-A, throat. Heel, longer E sound. Soap, O-A, soap. This is coat, C-O, coat, A-T, at. This is leaf, leaf, leaf. This is chain, 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 chain. Team, T-E-A, team, team. Snail, S-N-A-I, snail, snail. This is male, M-A-I, male, male. Okay, children. Now you can easily get the correct spelling for the correct picture, isn't it? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.